How to fix cap dice in Monopoly Go. When you run out of dice, the game will show you various of ways to obtain more. The friends invite feature available in the game is used in the Monopoly Go cap dice technique. Okay, so aside from that, you can also get more dice. So this is not just about inviting friends. So to show you how to do that, okay, so first things first, of course, you can earn or you can get dices by inviting friends, as you can see it here, right? So all you have to do is to click invite, and then you will see the dice that you can get once you invited someone. The second thing to do here is you just have to click this win here, but unfortunately, I cannot tap this one because I haven't reached that level, okay, to unlock this. But this is what it looks like. And as you can see here, there is a feature or one of the rewards here is, of course, dice. So there are several milestones that are marked on the prize bar at the bottom of the screen as you complete your quick wins during the week. To find out how many quick win points you need to reach each milestone, tap one of the rewards and keep in mind that you have 1 week to complete this to receive all of the prizes. Okay, so as you can see, we have here dice. So you just have to simply participate in quick wins. Okay, another method is we have here daily treats. And if you log in every day, you get free dice or rewards. Okay, so this do really include Monopoly Go free dice. So you can see it right here, like day 5, 30 dice, day 3, 25, day 7, 50. So you just have to simply log in every day or play. Okay, so you just have to play Monopoly Go. That is the secret method or secret way to get more dice. Okay, so the last method or step or way here to simply go to your net worth upgrades, and you will see here that to unlock, or if you unlock these features, or let's just say upgrade your network, you will see here the equivalent dice that you can get. Okay, so that's it. So this is our few methods on how to increase or get more dice in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next videos.